Crew, what it do? This your boy Chris, and I'm back with another video. And guess where we at?
Let's go!
Look at that. So we down here, man, for the YouTuber Showdown 2. I believe that's what they calling it, even though it's Dunk Master Demonology. Third time racing or whatever. But we just made it down, and we got a few little last minute touches to do to the car or whatever. So I got my people with me. What wrong?
That's what this is?
Nah. Get it out the dirt.
Window.
Yeah. Yeah, for the inside.
Get it out the dirt. Yeah.
I mean, you could. You could.
But not on this dirt.
Yeah, it's not on this. Yeah. Yeah, it's for the window. But I got my peoples with me. Walt,
What it do, baby?
Mac.
Okay.
I already know what it is. And y'all see what we got.
Dun, 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 dun.
Them Euros, baby. So it's time to get this red out. We gotta move that. It's time to go.
Don't fuck with that red shit.
Yeah.
That dead shit. That red shit dead.
I ain't got nothing to. I ain't got nothing to say to that. I love everybody. But I'm finna set y'all up on here so y'all can see. It should be real simple. Just plug and play. Take the old ones out. My boy had the right tools. I tried to actually do a video of this probably about, man, 2 weeks ago. Got out there. I ain't had the right tools, y'all, so y'all didn't get the video. And obviously they still on the car. This is the factory jump. So anyway, we're gonna throw them back on. And y'all just gonna follow us tonight, man, because it's supposed to be a lot going on. And we're gonna try to get as much footage as possible on there. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. So we'll be right back.
Oh yeah. My top down. We rolling. We riding. We rolling. Yeah. It's the light though. And we riding. And we rolling. And we love it. They know this. We cruising. And we riding. And we rolling. And we love it. They know this. We cruising.
Yeah, you see this shit. Come to daddy. Okay. You. Ta-da.
Down to Dallas.
No.
Yes,
So y'all can see before how they look. Just the red. Oh shit. What's my hair? And walking them in on the left side now first. So y'all can kind of see the difference already.
man, that mother look crazy.
Already.
Damn, just leave it like that. Oh my God.
Ooh. Yeah.
Oh, that nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, that nasty. I knew it was gonna be nasty, but that whole nasty.
Yeah.
It ain't nasty, it's nasty.
It's nasty. It's nasty. Ugh, hold on.
Yeah, you gun slaughter. That man dap like a baby.
Ah, it was terrible.
That man dap me like nigga denim dap me harder than that.
But no, what pissed me off, I hit up here, nigga.
Could touch his bottom lip with my top lip.
That was terrible.
But that whole like a real race car now. Bro, I didn't even know that. See,
Hey, get a boomerang or something.
this right here.
Why don't I do boomerang?
These stripes right here. Like I ain't even noticed that this technically a stripe.
Oh, yeah.
Make it pop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're white.
Yeah.
Man, I'm finna buy one of these hoes. That man walked that hoe with a man.
With a mask. Hey, whatever you can get, bro. Whatever you get your hands on. It's in there? Damn. Boy, quick.
Bro, that is so sweet, dude.
Yeah. Yeah. It look fully custom now. Yes, sir. Should I have went the tinted joints?
Hell no.
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 The tinted white ones.
No, nigga.
No.
This make your lips on your wheels look better and shit. Like, it make everything that's not dark look better. Like the lip on your, now it make your whole car down there complete.
Yeah.
That whole sick.
Yeah.
Try to break or something.
Hold on, you moving too fast, cuz.
My bad.
Oh my
It
God.
make your car not look childish.
Yeah, it make it look, it didn't look childish
it
at
do.
first, but now
It worked. You just open the door.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God, fool. Oh my goodness. Oh. That boy Euro. Euro Chris. That's your new name, bro. Euro Chris.
Boy, you stupid.
ECU.
Oh my goodness, boy.
So we out here in Texas with it.
Wait till that hoe get beamed up.
Yeah, when they get clean, it's hoping to look nasty.
Oh my goodness, Chris.
When they get clean, it's finna look like a different car. Cause that bitch dirty.
Bruh. That. Now go look at this side. It make it look
It look
ugly.
tacky. Like,
Yeah, it do.
But your car looks so fucking gangster.
Yeah, that is way
man, you
better.
gotta get that one and that one.
They're white, yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
And it really, it's like really matching all around. The whole
Yeah,
front
that's
and
what I'm
back.
saying.
Damn.
Now you ain't gotta do nothing to the lip if you don't want to.
The lip with
or the wheels.
Oh,
Because it go with that.
Right.
You can still do your center caps like we said.
right.
But the lips, them hoes can stay the machine look. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Oh yeah.
Because
It pop.
now the Euro done brought that out.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, bro, I didn't even know this was a stripe until the lights right here, man. It's like the same thing now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like I said, every time I look at it, that's why I said that earlier. Every time I look at that motherfucker, it's like I see something.
You notice
different.
something different, yeah.
Damn. You just. It's definitely not another S550 down here that look like this.
Nah.
Couldn't be.
Nah.
Couldn't be. We automatically won the
Yeah.
Mustang category. Like,
Facts.
give us the trophy now.
If he come harder than that,
It's an old tire.
it's a bullet, ain't it? I don't know what that is, Joe.
It's a treasure piece. It was in your trunk.
What this did?
This hoe so hard. It don't even. Oh my God, fool. When I look at that light every time, it's fucking up, fool.
Yeah.
Because now it didn't look childish at first. It
Right.
looked good and aggressive.
Right. It look complete.
But now this
It's
make that hoe look like it was childish.
Right.
You feel what I'm
yeah,
saying?
Yeah. Like why
Whoa.
why you had them red lights? Why you do
Yeah. Why that hoe even came with real life? I'm putting Euros on my 3-valve. Like that's why I like
Yeah.
the hoe so much.
that? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they definitely they set it off. They set it off.
Oh my God.
They set it off.
This nigga to close his trunk. Oh my goodness, fool. Now this hoe look like them lights made it look like this hoe got about 1,000 horsepower.
It do.
Ooh, don't close it. Don't close it.
It
Oh,
do.
oh my fucking. This hoe's bloody murder. They make the GT look white there.
What?
I
just seen it. Like the rim. Hold on. The rims. The lip on the rims even pop in there.
Yeah, we been saying.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he ain't been here because he was putting it
Oh
on.
my goodness.
Yeah,
fool.
everything look brighter. It don't look confused.
No, it
Bruh.
don't.
It don't look confused.
This hoe sick. Oh my goodness.
Y'all well done, man.
That did it.
Job well done.
Because every other, like
Now
everybody else
now
called
look
red.
at this angle.
Right.
Oh my God, them hoes look like crystals.
Oh God.
You can't see the black. You can't even see the black.
Then you can't.
Oh! Iceberg Slim. Oh! We getting close.
Iceberg, ice glacier.
Glacier. Yeah. Glacier boy.
Icy boy.
So icy.
So icy gang. So icy ET.
So icy 1017. No, call that whole new 217.
That man said call it 2797.
Call that hoe so icy. Cause it is. So icy.
Hey, I got the camera all up.
Change.
At this point, it's time to change and clean.
I need to put some shorts on.
It's hot as balls out here.
I'm sweating everywhere.
God damn. Mm.
Ice shiesty.
I'm so mad I could not get them brake calipers blue before we came down
Bro,
here.
and look at the front, bro. Your front, you're
Weezy.
Yeah, he Euroed the front. Wait,
You
jeez.
ain't bro balls?
Now they performance pack though. They performance, was it performance 1 brakes? I just wish I could have got them bitches powder coated, bro.
Oh shit, that was gonna pop even more when they get powder coated blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Yeah.
And
So.
that dog, you can't even see in there.
Oh no, you can't see well.
I'm talking about, look at this. This black, this dark black, that all that shit when you just go across.
Hold on,
This was stupid. This all that black too.
Let me go around one last time. So y'all can see.
Gotta do a good B-roll.
So y'all can see.
I gotta make
Yeah, man. She look good. She look good. She ain't even clean yet. So we finna change, get ready to get out, man, cause there's so much going on. Get her cleaned up and all that. So we're gonna catch y'all either later on in the video or on another video. So if y'all haven't already, make sure like, comment, subscribe, all of that. Because you don't want to miss what's gonna go down this weekend. I promise you that. I got stupid footage finna go stupid to the, I mean, God, I can't even talk. So I'm just gonna get off of here. I can't even talk right now. So yeah, I'm gonna pop off here, man, and catch y'all in a little bit, man. So like I always say, stay locked in, stay cruising with your boy, and I'll catch y'all on next video, man. We out.